Okay, one of the things that you have to watch out for are the leaves, oak leaves, or any kind of hardwood leaves. You're trying to get pine needles, and that's all you want in this. Also sticks, you want those thrown out as much as you can. But you take a bundle of this and then go over to the box baler and put it in the barrel. Come back and get some more. Stuff that in with your hand as best you can do. You can pick out sticks as you're going along if you see any sticks in it. So keep it as clean as possible. It'll probably take about 4 good bunches like that to be able to get it filled up. This may be enough now to get us enough in there to do the baling. I'll mash it down by hand if I can get it in, and put this over to the side. Then to get that initially down, we'll pull the plunger over and push it in. Bring the arm down, lever to tighten down the bale. Get it scrunched down into the box baler, into the barrel there. That's got it packed somewhat. Next thing is to take the strings, give them a pull. You take these strings that are looped over the back side on a nail, you give them a pull to make them come loose. Take the string then and poke it through the top of the hole in the slit in the door, and pull these in straight into there. Take the lower string, put it through the loop that was made as we loaded it, and as you pull that string, then it'll pull loose the bottom catch that holds the string, and it'll tighten it up around the bale some. Then do the second string the same way. Put it through the loop, pull it to get it loose, then pull it to tighten it. Now that it's hand tight, then I'll bring this over and we'll put the pressure to it and then tie the bale off. I use my leg instead of some other kind of a loop over to hold the handle down and put the pressure on it. I give it some more pull to pull the string to tighten it up, cut it off, pull the one end of the string out, then tie the bale. And this goes through and gives it one loop. Take the other side, pull it up, tighten it down, cut the string, and pull the end out, tie it off, and the bale's tied. Then you pull the plunger out, get it out of the way, take the top latch, loosen it, then the bottom bar, take it off, open the door, and pull the bale out. And this bale, I'll just set it on top of this one over here. Now we start the process over again. Okay, I'm going to start this process off by taking this string over on this side and tying a knot in it, and that'll get it ready to tie off when we get the bale completed. Stick it through this slot in the door. That'll be on the from the standpoint of what you're talking about, I guess it's the left side facing it. Put it down in here, hook it over a nail that's over here in the back. Then take the string, put it down to the bottom and hook it into the eyes on the bottom to make sure that it stays set. Reach over and get the other string, pull it through the slot on the other side, tie your loop in it, put it in on the other side, on the nail that's on the back, put it down on the bottom, loop it in, then close the door, put the bar across the bottom, close the top, and then take this string and put it in the groove right here on the inside of the opening, and same on this side, so that it'll hold the string as you put the straw into the box. Now we're ready to start putting some straw in there. I'm going to go over to this side this time. And by the way, this was hand raked, but the easiest way to do this, of course, is get you a rake, a mechanical rake, and let it be raked by mechanical, and then it makes things go a lot quicker. But then we can drop it in and get another bunch, bring it in. And I'm still breathing hard, I'm sure. I'm going to go over here and get this bunch here that left from a while ago. That'll be enough for this bale. Pack this down, pull the sticks out, bring the plunger over, pull it down, pull it back out, take my strings, give them a pull them off the back, put them through the slots, take the string at the bottom, tighten up on it and pull it down, tighten up, pull down. Same thing over this side. And now it's ready to put the press on it to get the bale tight where it'll stay in the bale. Lay on it. Okay, laying on the down bar to give the weight, pull the string tight, cut it off, pull one end out, tie the other end, one loop, and that's it. Pull the other string, tighten her down, cut it off. Those are really great devices, those letter openers on the sides there, to cut those strings right when you need it. Tie it off, it's ready to go. Pull the plunger out, loose this latch, pull it out, put it over the side. And we're ready to start over again.